I'm sure you heard about Autodesk Fusion. It's more than CAD, it's the future of design and manufacturing. This is an assembly with over 8,000 components, working just fine. A lot of people keep asking if we can handle large assemblies in Autodesk Fusion, and yes, we can. Inventor from Autodesk still handles larger assemblies faster, but both Inventor and Autodesk Fusion are included in the Product Design and Manufacturing collection, and a lot more. Autodesk Fusion is a CAD tool where you can combine parametric solid modeling, surfaces, subdivision or T-spline, and also mesh modeling in the same environment. And the CAM handle it all, from 2.5 axis to simultaneously 5 axis machining. This is powerful. This is a model airplane. It's designed in Autodesk Fusion. You can do all the design work and also the CNC machining from Autodesk Fusion. You could be creative in Fusion and you can create a concept modeling or the final part or mold directly in the software. If you need an advanced CAM software, it's included. Fusion is a powerful 2.5 axis, 3 axis, 3+2 axis, and also 5 axis. We can simulate the whole CNC machine and also verify if there is a problem or a risk of machine collision. Soon we also have machine collision and simulation for turning, maybe already today when you see this video, because development goes rapidly with Autodesk Fusion. For more advanced CAM strategies, we added calculation from PowerMill included in the machining extension. Autodesk Fusion is really powerful from the start. Extensions allow you to unlock advanced design and manufacturing technologies. And you can pay per day, per month, or year. What is the best solution for your company? We can help you to customize post-processor for your CNC machine. The future is here and it runs in Autodesk Fusion.